Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be solving question number 9 from chapter 3. So this is the question. It says that write a Java program that reverses a given number. Example, this is the input 1 2 3 4 and then the output is 4 3 2 1. Okay, we need an input from the user, so I imported the scanner class and I made use of it, and I also printed a line that is a prompt to the user that enter a number, and I'm storing the input into a variable named number of an integer type. So let's start with the program. First, we have to convert this number to a string before we can reverse the number. Okay, so I need a string that's going to hold the converted number and then the reversed number as well. So this string is going to be number to string, because I'm converting a number to string, and it's going to be here when we are changing an integer to a string. We have to use the integer class, that is integer to what? To a string. So you use dot to string. Now you have to put in the value. See, it automatically came. What do you want to change? So I want to change this variable number to string. So I'm done. So this is the first part. The second part is I have to reverse this one to string. This variable, I have to reverse it because now the numbers are in a string form. I have to reverse it, and doing that we need a class called string builder that is just used to manipulate the string. We can change the length of it and we can reverse it, we can delete it, you can just play with the string. Okay, so I need another integer, so that's going to be this reverse string. So this is the reverse string. So we have to make the use of the class. So new string builder. With the string builder, now you have to pass in an argument, and I'm going to pass this one because this is what I want to manipulate. So I'm going to reverse this one, then I'll print it to the user. So dot reverse. And you still want to be a string, so to string builder with the I before the L. Okay, dot to string. Okay, the S should be capital. Yeah, so now I have reversed this one, this variable here. I have reversed it, but it is still in a string form, but I have to change it to an integer form. See, from here we change this number to a string. Now we are going to change this reverse string into a reverse number, but it's going to be an integer. So I need a variable. So this is going to be, let's say, reverse number. So this reverse number, I'm going to use the reverse string. Okay, so I'm changing it to integer. So this is the, what am I typing? Okay, so integer dot pass in. So we have to pass in the say pass int. Then you have to pass in the string that we want to change to an integer. This string is going to be the reverse string. See, automatically came. So I'm done. So this is the program, simple as that. There is a different method you can also do it, but this is the simplest way I choose to do it. So let me run the program and see if everything is working fine. Okay, enter a number. I'm going to use the same example that is in the book, 1, 2, 3, 4. The output should be 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, I forgot something. I have to print to the user that the reverse number is this and that. So what am I typing? Reverse number is, so it's going to be the reverse number. Gross. So the reverse number is the reverse number. So let me run it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see the reverse number is 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's the same thing as in the book. You can run it again and you enter a different number. Let's say 1437. See, it came 7341. So the program is working. You just need to change the int to a string, and you have to convert the string, and you have to reverse the string. After reversing the string, then you have to change it into an integer. Simple as that. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.